It is slightly less than sub-zero temperatures today, and we've had shiny parts turn up, so we're going to do a little bit of unboxing, show you what's arrived for the GT86. So as expected, and like most people, we're going to be running WiseFab on the GT86. It's their V2 kit, I believe. Not entirely sure. We know there's some changes to be made, but we're running that with the IS200 front rack. Should be a bit stronger than an S-body rack and hopefully easier to get hold of if we need, but we've sent one away to be refurbished while we've been using another one to fabricate the actual rack relocation kit. So then when the rack relocation kit is done, we'll put the new one in that, and then we'll take the old one out of that and send that away for refurb. But the exciting delivery that turned up is we've been trying to work out what we're going to run suspension wise. Now we know we want it to run three-way because we think that to get a bit more advantage, the adjustability that you can get in squat and rebound and things like that, three-way is definitely the way to start going these days. And you'll see some of the top end drivers, you'll notice when their cars squat, they don't kind of bounce back up again, they'll squat and keep their traction and then come out of it smoothly. So that's the sort of effect we want to get. So when we were looking around at different options, there's fairly limited three-ways that are available, and also three-ways that you can use where you don't have to have them degassed, put WiseFab top mounts on the front and then regas them afterwards. So it makes it much easier for maintenance and things. So really there was only one option that we could go for, and after a chat with them, because they're a UK manufacturer, they agreed to come on board and help support us with this project. So massive thank you to Nitron. We are excited for this box.
Why am I being you? You can't be a cameraman.
Well,
these are your presents.
Yeah, but you know things. I are a racing driver. I don't really know a lot.
I know things. That's a conspiracy. Yeah, I need a knife.
Milwaukee branding.
Well, this feels like a top mount, so I'm guessing this is a rear. This is where all your money went, packaging. Actually, I'm gonna want that.
Well, that's real pretty.
It is. This is like Christmas.
Unsheath it.
Deglove it.
I like opening things with standing knives, but for a second I was worried.
I was going to say, I hope there's going to be some background music because the silence.
The silence is the sweaty anticipation for seeing new coilovers.
While trying not to scratch the most expensive paint in the world.
That. Oh, does it click?
It's the most satisfying click in the world.
Oh, that's a tight click.
Like the rest of BDC.
Wow. That is gorgeous.
Oh my god. That's a lot nicer than we probably shouldn't mention. Other brands of suspension are not available.
Oh, them collars though. That's a nice touch.
And your pearlescent springs.
Too much excitement for the amount of box that there is.
Like the rest of your life.
I'm already bleeding from the other package that we yet to display.
I feel like I'm worse at cameraing than I am at unboxing things.
Reveal yourself. Whoa. Oh yeah. Feel the click. I mean, this may not look like a lot, but if you could feel it, you would know.
Well, if we get real close up, it might be as satisfying. Wait a sec. Focus. There you go.
You might be able to hear that.
I think the camera picked that up.
other bonus with the Nitron stuff is that it comes with this fancy tool, because these collars are not horrible whack a screwdriver into tighten. This is for quick adjustment, as well as these incredibly industrial, definitely not going to wear out ever collar tools. Pin C spanners, that's the technical term.
Well, that's what I call them.
Nice. What are these little guys?
These are camber shims, which obviously drop in. Not that I can see what we're filming, but like so, which I'm not going to push them in because they're a slight interference fit. And then
that's smart.
Yeah, so you've got obviously center for, let's say 0, or you give me the other one of the same thing, or the offset one, which obviously can be fitted that way or that way. Dropped in.
This is an issue I've had for years as well, especially on S chassis, where you get that elongated hole that after a bit of abuse, bolt. It just, it's horrible. It just moves around. So
normally, normally
really nice touch.
The bolt can, obviously it's done up tight, but there is a chance, especially if you get a slight tap, which is quite common in drifting, is the bolt can move.
I thought you were about to say that's quite common with me.
Well, we did fold one of these up year before last.
Yeah.
So that just locates the bolt.